Financial management strategies, shifting from employee to business entity. /PP. Many individuals are unaware that they are legally losing thousands of dollars every year due to how they are taxed. While an employee earning $85,000 might lose nearly 30% of their paycheck to taxes, a business owner making the same amount can legally keep a much larger portion. This discrepancy exists because employees are taxed on their gross income, whereas corporations and business entities are only taxed on what remains after all expenses are paid. By treating your personal life like a business, you can utilize the same blueprint the wealthy use to protect their hard-earned money. /PP. The first step in this transformation is establishing a corporate shield by forming a single-member LLC. This legal entity acts as a barrier, changing your status from a consumer to a business owner in the eyes of the tax code. Once you have an LLC and a business bank account, you can initiate an expense shift under Section 162. This allows you to deduct expenses that are ordinary and necessary for your business operations. Costs for items you already use, such as cell phones, internet, and vehicle usage for business purposes, can be paid for with pre-tax dollars rather than post-tax dollars. Why earn $150 just to pay a $100 phone bill when you can write it off directly? /PP. Family income shifting is another powerful loophole that allows you to hire your children for legitimate work within your LLC. Under the law, you can pay each child up to the federal standard deduction amount. Because they are under 18 and employed by a family business, these earnings are often free from federal income tax and payroll taxes. This strategy keeps wealth within the family and funds their savings or hobbies while providing your business with a massive tax deduction. Furthermore, the Augusta Rule, or Section 280A, allows you to rent your primary residence to your business for up to 14 days per year for meetings. Your business gets a deduction for the rent paid, and you receive that rental income completely tax-free. /PP. Travel can also be optimized through the bleisure concept, which turns family vacations into legal business write-offs. According to guidelines, if the primary purpose of a domestic trip is business, such as attending conferences or meeting clients, and the business days outnumber personal days, the transportation costs are 100% deductible. Additionally, lodging and meals during those business days are covered with pre-tax dollars. This ensures that the most expensive parts of your travel are funded by your business entity, allowing you to relax while maintaining your professional growth. /PP. For those looking to build serious wealth, the short-term rental loophole and Section 179 vehicle deductions are essential tools. By owning a short-term rental property where the average stay is 7 days or less, you can classify the property as an active business. This allows you to use depreciation losses to wipe out your active income tax. Additionally, Section 179 allows businesses to write off the full purchase price of equipment, including vehicles with a gross weight rating over 6,000 pounds, in the very first year. This means you can acquire a high-value SUV or truck for business use and receive a massive tax break immediately. /PP. Understanding these financial systems is not about breaking rules but learning how to navigate the rewards designed for entrepreneurs. The American tax system is structured to stimulate the economy by rewarding those who create opportunities. By setting up an LLC and mastering these specific sections of the code, you stop working for your money and start making the entire economic system work for you. Do not be blinded by common financial advice. Instead, take control of your financial future by operating as the CEO of your own life.